Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. This is day 1 of Newfoundland. Woo, woohoo. Yeah. Look how nice this place is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo! We are currently at our grandparents' house from our father's side, and we are about to go to our grandparents' house from our mother's side. Cue the montage.
Feeling used, but I'm still missing you, and I can't see the end of this. Just wanna feel your kiss against my lips, and now all this time is passing by, but I still can't seem to tell you why. It hurts me every time I see you, realize how much I need you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I'll never be her.
Damn.
I miss you when I can't sleep, or right after coffee, or right when I can't eat. I miss you in my front seat. Still got sand in my sweaters from nights we don't remember. Do you miss me like I miss you? Fucked around and got attached to you. Friends can break your heart too, and I'm always tired but never of you. If I pulled a you on you, you wouldn't like that shit. I put this real out but you wouldn't bite that shit. I type a text but then I never mind that shit. I got these feelings but you never mind that shit. Oh, keep it on the low. You're still in love with me but your friends don't know. If you wanted me, you just say so. And if I were you,
I found more pineapple crust. Oh my god. This store is a ripoff.
Caution tape around my heart. You ever wonder what we could have been? You said you wouldn't and you fucking did. Lie to me, lie with me, get your fucking fix. Now all my drinks and all my feelings are all fucking mixed. Always missing people that I shouldn't be missing. Sometimes you gotta burn some bridges just to create some distance. I know that I control my thoughts and I should stop reminiscing, but I learned from my dad that it's good to have feelings when love and trust are gone. I guess this is moving on. Everyone I do right does me wrong, so everyone tonight listen to this song.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you.
Okay, so we just got our groceries, and now we are going to get fast food from a restaurant. We are now going to Mary Brown's. Can I have chicken poppin' meal, please?
The regular poppins or the kids poppins?
The regular, please.
Taters?
Yes, please.
Any dipping sauce?
Barbecue.
And your drink?
Do you have Dr. Pepper?
Yes, we do.
Can I have Dr. Pepper, please?
Is that everything?
Yes.
Your total comes to $9.27. You can drive ahead.
Thanks, like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. We just got our chicken pop-ins from Mary Brown's. That's right, boys! So my grandparents went to KFC or A&W, and I'm just here with my brother. Say hi, Logan.
Hi.
Yo. Okay. And yeah, he's playing Candy Crush on my grandma's iPad. It's cool. And also, my grandma is on like level 2100 something. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. So we got every fast food thing that we have, you know? So like we have everything now. And my grandfather is broke. So we're feeding the birds right now. It's really cool. Okay. Bam! Look at that. What if a bird comes to, oh my god! Look at that, look at that, they're fighting. Oh, that's so cool.
They want to get off his car.
Shut up! They're waiting for the foods now.
Not fair?
There is lots of birds behind me. Oh, I just heard thunder. Okay. I'm going to sit on these chairs with some bird poop on it. Yes. Nice. Fancy. Bam! So, I'm lying here in bed, eating my Doritos, and I was thinking about having a talk with you guys. I would first like to thank all of you guys for 60 subscribers. Woo, ha ha ha. Okay. Thank you. Oops. But I was also thinking of a video schedule. So, I've decided to post every other day, if not every day at 1 o'clock. Anyways, that will be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at Ethan Warford and at Mark Blomberg. Do not forget to subscribe and click the bottom left corner to watch our latest video.